If your vehicle is equipped with heated seats, this is a feature you'll love on those cold mornings. The controls for front heated seats are located on the switch bank below the climate controls. The switch indicator lights will show when the high or low heat is on. Push the switch once to select high-level heating. Push the switch a second time to select low-level heating. Push the switch a third time to shut the heating elements off. If not changed manually, high-level heating will switch to low-level after a maximum of 60 minutes. Low-level heating will turn off after a maximum of 45 minutes. Here's a quick note though. If auto operation is turned on through the instrument cluster display, the heated seats will turn on automatically when the vehicle is started. And here's another great feature. You can choose to have your heated seats and steering wheel activate automatically with your remote start. How's that for those chilly mornings? To activate the features, push and release the right arrow button until a check mark appears next to the feature in the instrument cluster display. To turn the feature off, push and release the right arrow button again. These features will stay on through the duration of remote start or until the ignition is put into the run position. Second row heated seat switches are located in the sliding side door handle trim panels and function the same as the front switches. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.